What is the deal with this website? They are paying $26.58 on the average for using your mobile and internet connection, and it works worldwide. Step number 1, you gotta download this mobile application and connect to your internet. Step number 2, this money maker app will allow you to earn money by sharing your unused internet via this mobile application. If you are thinking whether this is a scam or not, I found they have excellent Trustpilot rating. So it seems they're not scam. However, there is an additional way to make money. Go to the bottom of their website and click refer a friend. You will be able to earn 20% bonus from the traffic your referral shared. However, there is a big problem. They only pay through PayPal and JumpTouch. So if you don't have access to these two platforms, then you are not going to get paid. Well, above everything, this is not really a great way to earn a lot of money. And that's why we don't do this. We use AI to learn valuable skills. And based on that, we make simple and short videos and publish those videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we send our viewers to an automated funnel that sells high-ticket products to them. And when this guy makes a purchase, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program the most is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you the link to a free case study.